Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of the brown layer that surrounds a grain of rice? This unassuming layer, known as rice bran, is more than meets the eye. It's actually one of the main byproducts of the rice milling process. When brown rice is milled, this outer layer is separated, revealing the familiar white rice grain we all know. But this isn't just any layer. You see, rice bran is quite special. It's rich, packing in about 14 to 18% oil in its composition. So what's done with all this oil-rich bran? Well, it's put to good use. The oil is extracted and what you get is rice bran oil. This pale yellow, odorless and nutty flavored oil with a hint of sweetness is making waves in the health industry. Rice bran oil, an extract from this brown layer, is gaining popularity as a healthy oil, especially in Asia. Opening, ever thought about what makes rice bran so special? The magic lies in its nutritional composition. Each grain of rice bran brings with it a host of nutrients that can make a significant impact on our health. Let's delve into what makes rice bran a nutritional powerhouse. Rice bran, the outer brown layer of brown rice, is a treasury of unsaturated fats. Now, before you recoil at the word fat, remember, not all fats are created equal. Unsaturated fats are the good guys, the ones that help lower your bad cholesterol levels and increase the good cholesterol. They also play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart, brain, and joints. But the goodness of rice bran doesn't stop there. It is also a rich source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and boosts your immune system. Vitamin E is also known to promote skin health, giving you that youthful glow we all crave. What's even more intriguing is that the nutrient composition of rice bran can change. It's a bit like a chameleon, adapting its nutritional profile based on the rice variety and the efficiency of the milling system. A more efficient milling system can retain more nutrients in the bran, making it even more beneficial for our health. And let's not forget about rice bran oil, which is popular as a healthy oil in many parts of the world, including Japan, Asia, and particularly India. This pale, yellow, odorless, nutty flavored oil with a sweet taste is a great addition to any diet, thanks to its high content of unsaturated fats and vitamin E. However, despite its nutrient-rich profile, rice bran is currently mostly used as animal feed. Its oily nature makes it an excellent binder for animal feeds, but the potential for human consumption is significant. Imagine harnessing all those nutrients for our benefit? Closing. While rice bran is currently mostly used as animal feed due to its oily nature, its potential for human consumption is significant. What if I told you that rice bran could be a game changer for your health? Now, this might sound like a bold statement, but let's dive into the details to understand why. Rice bran, a byproduct of the rice milling process, is packed with a multitude of health benefits that are too important to ignore. For starters, it has significant anti-diabetic properties. Studies suggest that consuming rice bran can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential ally in the fight against diabetes. But that's not all. Rice bran is also known for its lipid-lowering effects. In simpler terms, it can help reduce the levels of bad cholesterol in your body. This, in turn, can contribute to a healthy heart and decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, rice bran is hypertensive. It aids in lowering blood pressure. This could be particularly beneficial for those dealing with hypertension. In addition to these, rice bran is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These compounds help combat free radicals in your body, protecting your cells from damage and potentially slowing down the aging process. On top of being anti-diabetic, lipid-lowering, hypertensive, and antioxidant-rich, rice bran also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. As inflammation is linked to a myriad of health issues, including arthritis and some cancers, the anti-inflammatory effects of rice bran could help alleviate these conditions. Lastly, but certainly not least, rice bran can improve bowel function. Thanks to its high fiber content, it promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, thereby preventing constipation and promoting overall gut health. There's also a bonus feature. Rice bran contains substances that might decrease how much cholesterol and calcium the body absorbs. This could potentially help prevent certain types of kidney stones from forming. All these benefits come together to make rice bran more than just a byproduct of the rice milling process. It's a nutrient-dense, health-promoting powerhouse that can be a valuable addition to your diet. Clearly, Rice Bran offers a variety of health benefits that can be a boon for your overall well-being. Apart from its nutritional value and health benefits, what else makes Rice Bran stand out? Well, it's quite interesting. Rice Bran has a unique property that affects the way our body absorbs certain substances. Studies have found that Rice Bran can decrease the amount of cholesterol absorbed by the body. This can be a great advantage for those looking to manage their cholesterol levels or maintain heart health. But that's not all. Rice Bran also influences calcium absorption. Now, while calcium is essential for our bodies, an excess can lead to the formation of certain types of kidney stones. By decreasing calcium absorption, Rice Bran can help prevent this health issue. These unique properties, combined with its rich nutrient composition, make Rice Bran a truly remarkable byproduct of rice milling. It's not just animal feed, it's a health-boosting ingredient with untapped potential. So next time you think of rice, remember the hidden treasure in its bran, a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. Now, aren't you amazed by the wonders of Rice Bran? With the nutrient-rich profile of Rice Bran, it's not surprising why it's gaining popularity, especially in Asia. This humble byproduct of rice milling, the outer brown layer of brown rice, packs a hefty punch. It boasts 14 to 18% oil, making it an excellent source of unsaturated fats and vitamin E. Its unique, slightly nutty flavor with a sweet aftertaste is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. The oil has anti-diabetic, lipid-lowering, hypotensive, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory effects. It even aids in improving bowel function and reducing cholesterol absorption. While it's currently used mostly as animal feed due to its oily nature, there's no denying the potential it holds for human health. So why not consider incorporating Rice Bran into your diet? Remember, it's not just about eating, but eating right. And Rice Bran can be an excellent addition to your journey of healthy eating.